And some news breaking this minute. Actor Vikram Chatterjee's petition to get himself discharged from the case has been rejected by the court. Vikram now faces trial. Charges are to be framed on the 3rd of December. Thereafter, the trial would begin. That, of course, being the latest there coming in this case. Remember, Vikram Chatterjee, who's been accused and who was, in fact, this is a case relating to the death of the model and TV host Sonika Chauhan in a car crash in Kolkata last April. And this is the trial that is going to go on, where he will, of course, be facing trial. Going across to my colleague Tamal, joining us on the phone line with further updates on this. Tamal, clearly actor Vikram now to face the trial in this case.
Well, that's right. The judges' court of Alipur, the Sessions Court here now has pronounced its verdict, and a verdict which has gone against actor Vikram Chatterjee, who wanted to get himself discharged from the case. Vikram Chatterjee so far has maintained that there are no evidences against him that police can prove that he was drunk while driving. So here is the court has now dismissed his petition. He has not been discharged from the case, and the court, on the contrary, has found ample evidence. The court says there are ample evidences. For example, the speed Vikram Chatterjee had maintained on that fateful night, a speed that many would avoid because it can call for an accident, a speed that would make everyone wary. So the knowledge of this speed was very much there with Vikram Chatterjee, one very solid ground why the court has not dismissed him, a court has not discharged him from the case. The court has now decided on 3rd of December, hearing would begin for charges to be framed. In fact, charges would be framed on 3rd of December, and thereafter, Vikram Chatterjee would be going through the trial. Whether Vikram Chatterjee would move to a higher court in between this period, between 3rd of December, we have to wait and see.
Okay.
We did not see Vikram Chatterjee in the courtroom today, but the family members of Sonika Chauhan expressed a sigh of relief because they were fearing if Vikram Chatterjee gets discharged from the case, will it be injustice to Sonika Chauhan? Now that he has not been discharged, now that his petition has been dismissed, it clearly vindicates extent the position which has been taken by the police, as public prosecutor had been maintaining, and also by the defense of by the allegations of Sonika Chauhan. The lawyer of Sonika Chauhan had been maintaining that Vikram Chatterjee was simply not drunk, he was speeding up, and the speed was extremely fatal, something that caused the accident which claimed Sonika Chauhan's life.
Okay. Absolutely. Many thanks, Tamal, for joining us with those details. That, of course, being the latest coming in. Actor Vikram Chatterjee will now be facing trial after his plea was dismissed, and after the framing of charges that will be done on December 3rd. Thereafter, the trial would begin.